Hi and welcome to the Ultimate Beginner's Tabla course. This course has been carefully created to feature the best and most practical lessons. This course is for beginner Tabla students who want a clear path of progression designed for all ages and abilities. My name is Mendy Singh. I'm a professional Tabla player living in Birmingham, UK. So what will you learn by enrolling on my course today? You will learn contemporary rhythms, North Indian folk rhythms. You will learn different hand positions and techniques played on the high tabla and bass tabla. You will learn the North Indian tabla notation system and how we count and recite the rhythms in the traditional way. You will also learn the terminology we use in North India to describe the different aspects of rhythm. You will also learn coordination skills with a variety of different exercises. You will also get a PDF file of all the lessons we will cover. I will also offer you my personal email for you to send one video per month of your practice for me to monitor and send you constructive feedback. You will learn all that I have mentioned and much more. I will also demonstrate how we tune the instrument. I want you to feel comfortable before making a purchase. That's why I've uploaded multiple free preview videos for you to watch at any time. Udemy also offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk involved, but everything to gain. So go ahead and press the Buy Now button, and I look forward to seeing you on the course. Thank you for enrolling.